think the zips as well have opened up. That should help. So clear. Oh shit, we don't want to get docked. Wait. Push from your front end. No, look. Push. Dig and then push.
Installation from a local artist on the island, and he wants to do something else than just painting. So he has another own hand. He used a lot of money on it. Very well.
Now by look. Alright, actually I've taken a nice photo. Oh, that's hard.
Huh? What?
Look back, look back. Hey, where are you going? He can't take pictures of me, so I might as well. And then I can send it to you, yeah. Oh, Hannah, look there.
What do we do to say?
Yeah, I think it's better to...
Yeah. I'll send you whatever photos I take as well.
Yes.
And then once we get back to land, we'll just exchange numbers and then boom.
I think it's working with airdrop without the numbers.
Airdrop, yes. iPhone, yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Are there any other phones?
Huh? That's a good point. Hey, Manna, taking off my shoes and opening the zips.
Yeah, open the zip.
Yeah, I did. Helped a lot.
Yeah. Can you take a photo of us against here, and then we can do the same to you?
Yeah, let them...
Yeah, let them go that way and then we...
Yeah, I'm trying. Oh wait, let us turn around first, right?
Done. You taking it?
Yeah, move your paddle.
Nice, so nice.
Yeah, we're coming. %. Well, I'll take a video.
Going down there.
Down there.
Down there.
Oh wait, I could probably do that.
This way, I can be in it. Oh, that's so smart. I'm in the video now.